All right, everybody. We are at
Shady Maple.
Shady Maple Smorgasbord. All we've had to eat today was
A donut.
a donut. So we are ready for a smorgasbord. I think we're going to put a hurting on this thing. Let's go inside and see what this is all about. So what is significant about Shady Maple? It's supposed to be the biggest buffet,
Buffet in the U.S.
biggest smorgasbord in the U.S. I think the buffet line is over 200 feet is what I read. So we're excited to see what this is all about. When you enter Shady Maple, you really get a feel for the size of the place. The queue up front where you pay was just about as big as a queue at Disney World. Luckily, there really wasn't much of a crowd when we arrived. Hey, how are you? Good, thanks. Yes.
It'll be $56.62.
Same. Nice color.
Thanks. Appreciate it. You're a Bills fan.
Absolutely.
Interesting. I like Josh Allen.
But that's it, huh?
But yeah, that's about it. I love the Eagles. Like I have pride for the Eagles, but I'm a big Joe Burrow, Jamar Chase fan. So right now I'm liking the Bengals.
Oh,
Okay.
wow.
I'll still give you a Go Bills.
Okay. Yes, have a good day.
Thanks.
3D artwork that I've heard about. Oh, check that out. That's pretty cool.
Oh.
It is like totally 3D. That's pretty cool. Alright, so we're in line to get a table. I guess there's a queue. The hostess then takes you to the table. Hungry? I think that once we leave here, we probably will not be hungry anymore.
I don't think so.
So all the food is going to be up there.
Okay. Awesome.
If you guys wait right here, I need to go find you a booth.
Okay.
And then I'll wave you on over. That's a drink station.
Awesome. Thank you.
Question for you.
Yes.
All my booths are filled, but she started cleaning the table. Are you going to be okay with the table?
Yeah.
Okay. Wait right here. When it's ready, I'll come get you.
Okay, thank you.
And it's close to the food.
Okay, perfect.
Yeah, I guess so.
All right, guys.
Awesome.
So that ticket is important. Keep it on the table. Let me get your keep that ticket like that. That way we know you're in the building. Okay. Right before you leave for the night, just flip it over. That's how we know that you left.
Okay.
Take the receipt if you want. Just flip the blue one. So like I said, there's drinks here. All the food's up here. So you guys, it's just 200 feet of food. Over in the corners are the desserts. They pretty much have the same desserts.
Okay.
You're a little closer to that side.
Okay.
You just help yourself.
Awesome. Thank you. Appreciate it. Shady Maple offers a ton of seating. According to one website, they can seat up to 2,000 people. From a ton of table space to individual booths and even private rooms off of the main dining room, finding a table really wasn't an issue for us. All right, so here we go. Got a table. We're kind of my plan is to walk around first, kind of get a lay of the land, figure out where I'm going to start. So we got burgers, grill section, looks like with steak, whole or half. Salad bar. Looks like the sides with shrimp, cappuccinos, drink station. Sauerkraut, we got roast beef, pulled pork, fried chicken, lasagna,
Ice cream station.
all the drinks. All right, where you gonna get something here?
Yeah.
I'm gonna go back to the salad bar, I think. All right, so I think I'm gonna start at the salad bar. Michelle's diving into one of the hot buffets, but I'm gonna start with some salad and we'll go from there. Looks like a kale salad. Get a little bit of that. That'll work. Carrot here. All right. Looks like pasta. I'm gonna come over here to the other side of the salad bar. See some bacon bits over on the other side, so gotta go over there and finish off the salad. Excuse me.
Oh, sorry.
Thank you. Oh, there it is. We're starting off with a salad and some sides. Cheryl's starting off with some fried chicken, mashed potatoes, some rolls. Looking pretty good. All right, first course at Shady Maple. I got a healthy salad.
I did not. I'm going to be European and eat my salad last.
There you go. More to come. All right, round one is done. Salad bar. Good salad. Everything nice and fresh. I'm walking back up to see what I can find next. I think I'm going to scope it out again and see what all is available here. So we have ham, brisket. Ooh, looks good. Got steaks there, sirloins, sausages. Alright, you know what? I'm just going to go to the very end and I'm going to do a whole walkthrough so I can see what everything looks like. I think the salad bar kind of divides it up, so it's kind of half. Alright, so at the very end we have like a dessert station. Ice cream, desserts, and pies. Then the buffet starts. There's shrimp, fried shrimp, steamed shrimp, yep, pork ribs, meatballs, fried chicken, roast turkey. Looks like we have roast beef, stuffing, chicken tenders, gravy. We have like veggies, so we have asparagus, stewed tomatoes, mac and cheese, Brussels sprouts, scalloped corn. The soup station looks like chili, cheesy broth, cream of seafood, cold shrimp. Alright, then we have the salad bar station. I think there are actually two different, yep. Alright, so we got two different salad bars. Baked potatoes, salad bar, different types of salads. So there's a pasta station, different pastas. And I want to say we probably have the same thing over here. Alright, so in the middle you have different grills, cheesesteak. Not to be confused with Philadelphia cheesesteak, but it is a cheesesteak. And you have pizzas, burger toppings, strip steaks, New York strip. Back is where the buffet is. Alright, so I'm going to grab a plate. I'm going to take a few.
I think they're fire.
Start off with some shrimp. Marinated chicken. Not sure what all that is. I think I'm going to go for a little bit of surf and turf. I'm going to find the grill over here. What do we got? Some steaks going on.
Yes, we do, sir.
You have like a medium temperature?
Like that?
That'll be perfect.
Thank you, man. Enjoy.
Thanks, buddy. Appreciate it, man.
Enjoy.
Thank you, buddy. Alright, so shrimp, steak. Gotta figure out where some cocktail sauce is for the shrimp. I'm not sure about that. Let's see if we can find some cocktail sauce. Maybe with the cold shrimp, cottage cheese, chow chow. Excuse me, ma'am. Where would I find the fixings for like the baked potato, like butter, sour cream, that kind of stuff? Yeah.
You'll find that over at your condiment station.
Oh,
and then
good.
there's one to the far left.
Okay, awesome. Thank you very much. Appreciate it. All right, so I totally missed the whole condiment station, so we're gonna go over there, check that out. All right, we have condiment station. So and there is the cocktail sauce. All right, I think we're good for now. Back to the table. I see Cheryl. Here we go. Found the table. All right, so round two. Let's see if I can show you this. Steak, sirloin, baked potato, shrimp, condiments. I wasn't sure how much of this I was going to need, so I got sour cream, butter for the potato, cocktail sauce for the shrimp, some A1 sauce.
It might be like beard meat food.
Yeah, but he does it like record time.
I know how he does it. I don't think he left it like that.
Uh-oh.
Which side did you go to?
All over the place.
Is it all the same?
Yeah, so like the salad bar is kind of divided in the middle,
Each way?
and then you go each way from there. Yeah.
Did they have cheesesteak over there on the grill?
I didn't even see cheesesteak, but then again, maybe I wasn't looking for it.
I guess I'll go that way.
Good luck.
Thanks.
All right, so first impressions of the steak, not very tender. Keep going a little bit and see if it gets any better, but steak, we'll see how that goes. All right, so now I'm on a mission to find a drink. Need the whole drink. Oh, found the drinks. All right. Birch beer. Oh, go for some birch beer. Appears to be a white birch beer, which is good. So you have the coffee station on one side, cappuccinos, and you have a juice station over here, and then your soda fountain over here. Drink, success. All right, so second course done. steak, not impressed with.
I'm still having chicken. Love fried chicken.
Sirloin steak, just I ordered it medium, but it was definitely almost rare.
Yeah, I don't particularly like New York strip cuts anyway.
Yeah. Oh, I said sirloin. It was a strip, New York strip. Yeah. So that was pretty much a no-go. Baked potato was good. Hot shrimp were good. Steamed shrimp, those were good. So take a little break, and then we'll go see what round 3 has to hold. All right, so I'm going to try the brisket. Man, there's quite a line there for the brisket. So let's go up there and see what we can see. Do they have plates up there? Nope, gotta get a plate. All right. Aha. Oh, excuse me. Pardon me. Found a plate. Back over to the brisket line. Oh, I found steak knives too.
Oh yeah, James, gotta get nice.
Hey, how are you? Good, thanks. Thank you very much. Is this an au jus? Thank you. All right, so I got a slice of brisket. Let's see how this goes. Looks pretty good. All right, so last round. Gonna check out some of the desserts, I think. And of course, Shady Maple offers a ton of different desserts, from pies, cakes, puddings, to an ice cream bar, and a cobbler bar. Finding something sweet to finish the meal off was definitely not a problem. Right, looks like a piece of carrot cake and a vanilla cappuccino for dessert. I'm telling you, they have everything here. If you walk away hungry from this place, it is your own fault. After this round, I think I am throwing in the towel. Piece of carrot cake and a vanilla cappuccino for dessert. And I think I'm getting to the point where I'm going to be tapping out.
I think so for me too. I did see they had some gluten-free and sugar-free options on the dessert menu, as well as the drinks behind us. Sugar-free slushies.
Nice. Not sure if I'll have room for that, but... And after 3 rounds, we decided we had had enough and we were throwing in the towel. Not sure if you can say that we conquered it, but we certainly weren't leaving hungry. All right, we are done at Shady Maple Smorgasbord. Cheryl's already in the truck. Man, we didn't eat anything at all before we went in there. Well, that's not true. We had a donut before we ate there. And man, I'll tell you what, I am stuffed. All right.
What do you think?
I'm stuffed.
Me too. That was a lot of food. I'm on the pickier side, so I only had a few things, but what I did have was good.
How many items are on the dinner buffet?
I don't remember. We'll look it up.
It's an unbelievable amount of food. I mean, there's really no way to try everything in there. So
yeah.
I mean, I didn't even touch the burger bar or the pasta bar or any of that stuff. So
yeah.
I think by about my 3rd round in, which I was just kind of trying different items off. I didn't obviously eat everything that I took. Well, don't want to waste food, but I wanted to try it. But even with that, whew.
Yeah, they have a burger bar, hot dogs.
What did we pay?
You name it. $24 a person plus a 12% service fee.
Yeah, I want to say it was like $36 or $56 or something altogether.
Yeah.
Which, I mean, honestly, for the amount of food that you could eat.
Yeah, and drinks were included with that, and they had a lot of different drinks. So.
Drinks, dessert, all the side items. So overall, not a bad gig, and a pretty decent experience. And we can say that we've been to and we conquered the Shady Maple Smorgasbord.
All right.
All right. See you in the next one.